In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products with Hosting a Website Builder. If you want to start selling downloadable items online, like templates, ebooks, design assets, or other digital files, Hosting a Website Builder gives you a simple way to set that up without needing advanced technical skills. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process so you can get your digital product added to your store quickly and clearly. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to locate the website you want to work on. This is important if you manage more than one site, because you'll want to make sure you're editing the correct store. After that, click on Website. This will take you to the area where your site management options are available. From there, choose Edit Website. This opens the Hosting a Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your pages, store, and product listings. Give it a few seconds to load fully so all the editing tools appear properly. Once you're inside the editor, click on Store. This is where your e-commerce settings and products are managed. If you're planning to sell digital products, this section is where you'll create the listing that customers will eventually see and purchase from your website. Next, click Add Product. When the Product Setup window appears, enter your product name and fill in the other necessary details for your product. This part matters because your listing should be clear and complete. Make sure the name is easy to understand and include the relevant information your customers need before buying. Depending on your setup, this may include things like the product description, pricing, and any other important product information available in the editor. Take your time here, because a well-filled product page helps build trust and reduces confusion for buyers. As you enter the details, feel free to input everything necessary to make the product listing complete and professional. The more organized and accurate your information is, the smoother the buying experience will be for your customers. It's also a good idea to quickly review everything before moving on, just to make sure there are no typing mistakes or missing fields. Once you're done, click Save. This stores your product information and adds it to your website store. After saving, your digital product should now be part of your online shop setup inside Hosting a Website Builder. And that's it. That's how to sell digital products with Hosting a Website Builder. Once your product is saved, you can continue refining your store and making sure everything looks ready for your customers.